In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Apps section available here. Now tap on the Choose Default Apps at the top and click on any section you want to manage. For example, I want to switch my browser, so I have to click here. Click on Firefox to apply it as my new default and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!